Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And see, I'm too fine well over here. And here, in front of you, it's a Marigold second standard book. And today, we are gonna do some exercises which are given in the books. So first, let's open your books and open page number 22. So here is page number 22. You can see over here. Okay, chapter number 2, and some exercises are given on page number 22, 24 and 25 that we will do it today. So before starting the exercises, I just want you to tell me about the hard words and all that, right, which we have already written in your CW as I have given to you, and I hope that you all have written. And once again, I'm just telling you, please learn it. Okay, learn the spellings and read the stanzas. So whenever I will ask you, you can tell me all the things which we have already learned, and I know that my all students will do it. So I'm very grateful to having you all. So let's start a new exercise today on page number 22. Here it is written, reading is fun. You can see here it is written, reading is fun. Complete the sentence. So some are the blanks are given, and what we have to do, we have to fill it. हमें इसको fill करना है. So first is written, first is already given for us. What is it written? Let's read. A butterfly can fly. We know, we have already learned in the poem that the butterfly can fly. In the second one, it is written a myna dash, myna blank. We know that what does a myna can do, or what does a myna do. Okay, what can a myna do? So what we will do, we will write down a myna can sing. Okay, I have already written here. A myna can sing. The spelling is CANSING. Okay, a myna can sing. I have written. So write down as I have written. Write down in your book. Now third. Third is written. Dash can wriggle. Who can wriggle? Who can wriggle, giggle with glee? Yes, very good. Fish. What we will write? A fish. Very good. So here, the spelling of fish, AFISH, fish, as we have written. Now the fourth one. Here it is written an elephant dash. So we have to fill the blanks. So what it will be? An elephant can raise trunk. We have already seen in the poem. Okay, the spelling of raise trunk is RAISE. Again, I am speaking RAISETRUNK. An elephant can raise trunk. If you can't see properly, okay, you can see here. Okay, see it is written over here. An elephant can raise trunk. Okay, so you can write down from here also. Now the last one. Dash can hope. Dash can hope. It is also written here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out. If I were kangaroo, I would try to hope. So kangaroo can hope. Okay, the spelling of kangaroo is written over here. KNGAROO. So what you have to do, you have to just see from the spelling over here, and you can write. And now you can learn it also. Okay, so you can write down without seeing anywhere. Kangaroo can hope. Okay, the spellings is also, I'm just showing you again. Kangaroo, the spelling is here. The kangaroo can hope. I have written here. The kangaroo can hope. Now they have asked you what you can do. You can, so you can write anything you want. Okay, so I will just write, you can whatever you want to write. I am writing here for you. You can dance, you can sing, you can write, you can read, whatever. ओके कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पर. ओके देखो पहले से मैं बता रहा हूँ. अ बटरफ्लाई कैन फ्लाई, अ मैना कैन सिंग, अ फिश कैन wriggle, an elephant can raise trunk, a kangaroo can hop, you can dance. Here you can write, you can sing, you can read, you can write. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write over here, because they have asked to you that what you can do. Okay, so here is the first exercise which we have already completed. So we will directly jump to the next exercise, and this is let's draw. On the page number 24, some pictures are given and they have asked us to complete it. Complete the pictures and label them. Okay, we have been asked to complete this all blanks. So let's start. हमें ये सब blanks को यहाँ पर फर्स्ट लेटर दिया हुआ है, सी इट इज़ रिटन ई, एंड द पिक्चर इज ऑल्सो गिवन. ये पिक्चर दिया हुआ है. सो ये क्या है? एलिफेंट का. वी नो दैट इट्स ए ईयर्स. ओके, द पिक्चर्स आर गिवन. सी यू कैन सी कंप्लीटली. Okay, some pictures are given. So what we have to do? We have to just write down. Very easy. So what is the spelling of ears? Yeah, only one ear is given. So we will write down E-A-R, ear. Then here, the elephant has a short tail. बहुत छोटी होती है. The trunk is big, but the tail is small. So write down tail. T-A-I-L. Okay. T is already written. I have written A, I and L. You will write down T-A-I-L. Okay. Then what is it? Yes, right. Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. T-R-U-N-K. Now they have again asked, and it is written E over here. The pictures of ears are given over here, but these ears are of kangaroos. So what we will write down? E-A-R-S, ears. And these are, see, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Again, E-A-R, ear, tail, trunk, ears and legs. Finished? Okay, now over here, the next exercise. First, read it. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. Hint दी हुई है हमें. We have to just fill the blanks. Now let's see. If I were a kangaroo, I would. Who will tell me? If I were a kangaroo, I would dash. I would hope. H-O-P. Yeah, I would try to hope. You can write down only hope, or you will write down try to hope. It's okay. This both answers are correct. Okay, try to hope. If I were a tiger, I would roar. Okay, so write down R-O-A-R, roar. Okay, R-O-A-R. If I were a fish, I would swim. You can write you will swim, you will wriggle, whatever you can write. Okay, so I am writing over here, I would swim. Okay, and full stop. You can write down wriggle also. Okay, wriggle and giggle you can write. I have written swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. The spelling of fly is F-L-Y. Finished. Again, if I were a kangaroo, I would try to hope. Okay, H-O-P, hope. If I were a tiger, I would roar, R-O-A-R. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. Now see, let's draw. Complete this picture and draw some plants, sails, stones and fish. Okay, what we have to do? Here is a picture is given. The picture this picture is of octopus. Okay, octopus, you can see the octopus over here. The octopus has 8 arms, which we have already learnt in the poem. Okay, what you have to do, I am just telling you to fill the colors also. Okay, just fill the colors. This is a HW for you students. आपको इसमें कलर फिल करना है जो भी आपको पसंद हो. ओके, बट सी वंस दैट एग्जैक्टली क्या कलर होता है. ऑक्टोपस यहाँ पर कैसा कलर के दिया हुआ है, ग्रीन. यू कैन फिल. ओके, यू कैन फिल एनी कलर ऑफ इट इन इट. इफ़ यू वांट टू फिल येलो कलर यू कैन, डोंट वरी. ओके, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे यू कैन फिल इट. दिस इज HW फॉर यू. नाउ द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज on page number 26. Now what is it written? Add FUL, full, to the words given in the brackets and complete the sentence. Again, add full, FUL. We have to add full after the word is given in the bracket. Here it is written help. So what we have to do? हमें इसके पीछे FUL ऐड करना है. मीन्स ये हेल्प के पीछे मैं FUL ऐड करूँगा तो क्या बन जाएगा, हेल्पफुल. Okay, so what he is written, what it is written over here, you must be dash to your friends. So help तो दिया हुआ ही है. What we have to write, helpful. So write down HELP. पहले जो ब्रैकेट में वो लिख दो, उसके पीछे क्या लिखना है, FUL, helpful. Okay, spelling you can see HELP FUL, helpful. Second, make a dash drawing. Color is written, what we have to add, full, colorful. Make a colorful drawing. The third is, the puppy is so dash. Here it is written play. So we have to add FUL, full. The puppy is so playful. And the last, be dash while crossing the road. Here it is written CARE. So we have to add FUL, careful. CAREFUL. Okay, so again I'm just reading for you. You must be helpful to your friends. Helpful spelling is written over here, HELP. The spelling is here and you have to add FUL. आपको FUL ऐड करना है. Make a colorful drawing. The puppy is so playful. Be careful while crossing the road. Okay, see once again. Okay, all the spellings are over here in front of you. Okay, so you can write down